This is Mr. Naveen Mehta, the Managing Director of Mahindra Navistar. My name is Kaustubh Palkar and I am representing a company called truckstrategy.com. What are the advantages that we bring along with us? Why truckstrategy.com? We are the only company, globally providing online services, online informations and deep industry analysis for global truck industry. What are the services that we offer? One, on the product information. We would display your product on our website. This would be a product branding with all the technical information. We would display the products. Second is we would give the comparisons with pricing, but the best part of truckstrategy.com is just not the pricing, but we give calculators wherein along with the prices you can see what is the product TCO, the total cost of ownership of these products, and the maintenance cost of the products as well. So these 2-3 things, calculators along with the price, would always give an equal platform. What is the current position of Mahindra Navistar after it started operations in India?
So, Kaustubh, we have started the LCV business first because we acquired that business from Mahindra when Mahindra Navistar got established. And we are at about 12% market share in LCV. Put together, we have tried to do things differently. Our philosophy is of a challenger brand. We are in the market where there has been a duopoly for quite a few decades. In terms of positioning ourselves in the market, we are not wanting to make a niche product. We have made a product which stands out, doesn't stand apart. And I have got 5,000 HCVs in the market today. Out of the top 100 transporters, every third transporter has bought my trucks. And it's also very interesting that every third out of them has placed the repeat order. And that's not all. The size of the repeat order in an average is 3 times bigger than the first order. So if the first order is 2 trucks, the repeat order is 6 trucks. So the first order is 10, the repeat order is 30. So I think this is where we are. We today hold around 3% market share in HCVs. And we have 56 dealers. And in a very short span, we have created this network. In addition to that, we have nearly 1,000 service points all across the highways. And such is the confidence that we have now in our network and the product that we are able to offer 48-hour uptime guarantee, which is an open offer on Golden Quadrilateral. It's an open offer on North-South corridor and East-West corridor, 48-hour uptime guarantee. We also offer, for the first time in this industry, an unlimited mileage, 4-year guarantee warranty. 4-year warranty, I would say, not guarantee. Warranty is the right legal word, yeah. So, 4 years warranty, unlimited number of kilometers. So I remember still the day we announced it in a big gathering of transporters. That day there were about 1,500 of them. And it was received by a thunderous applause, I may say so. So this is where we are. There are a few more things I want to talk in line with our philosophy. To support these trucks, we have now got a 24/7 call center. Now everybody has a call center, but our call center is beyond okay. It speaks 5 languages because drivers belong to different parts of the country, and it is manned by diploma engineers. So simple things like kabhi airlock ho gaya, kabhi the fuse is blown up or something else goes wrong, which we are able to guide the driver into doing and rectifying himself. If not, at least we are able to understand the issue and send the right parts in our service van. So every dealer is equipped with a service van, mobile service van. He can reach. We have also put nearly 30 mobile workshops now
Okay.
in various locations. These workshops can even handle an aggregate and removing. So they are equipped with complete facilities. So the driver's comfort today, talking to our call center is simply tremendous. So I think this is another of our okay is no longer okay. And I don't want to answer too long because I'm sure you have more questions. But I have a lot of more things to say. So let me listen to your second question.
We would definitely like to hear a lot of views from Mr. Nalin Mehta. Is there any plan to enter into the 12 to 16 ton market?
See, today we are almost a full range player. We have an LCV range, 4.5 tons, 6 tons, 7.5 tons. We have buses, which are 15-seater, 25-seater. Last year we introduced a 32-seater and a 40-seater. So, and then we have 25 tons, we have 31 ton, we have 40 ton, we have a 25-ton tipper. So I think we have a pretty much the full range. We have to introduce the 49-ton, we have to introduce the mining tipper. 16-ton market trends are not exactly encouraging at the moment. So we are watching that very carefully. Market is getting really polarized towards higher tonnage with improvement of highways and lower tonnage because the rural demand and the hub and spoke method is really catching up in the country. So there is a polarization. So at the moment I can't comment on that.
Okay. Do you have any plans to enter into premium segments?
Actually, we are a premium truck today. Okay. So if you see our truck and the qualities that it provides, we are actually able to give a better turnaround time already because of the driver comfort. He is able to drive more. We are getting better average speeds. We have 10-bar brake. We also have better torque and the cabin is world class with all the comforts that you can think of. So I don't know what you mean by premium truck. I think we are a premium truck already at the price of the market.
Synergy between Mahindra Lord King and Mahindra Navistar. What plans?
See, Lord King is a strong brand and it's a small truck. Some of the things that we have learned is that we have introduced a Lord King tipper, fully built tipper, and they're selling. People want it. We have common dealers, we have common spare parts network. Some suppliers also are common. So there is enough synergy. If you see on the back end and the front end, the products are entirely different. The Lord King has a different small engine. This is a big engine. So there is enough synergy, wherever it can be done.
Every state is having different application segment. What is your plan to penetrate state-wise?
So we now have dealers all across India. So we have 56 dealers spread in all the states. There is not a single state which is not covered by us right now. All states are covered. Our 1,000 service points are also across all states. Calling Northeast as one state. So technically Northeast we are calling as one state. So by virtue of that I am saying. And we have now products which are long wheelbase. We have a cow. As I told you, we have a fully built tipper. We offer fully built solutions like the load bodies of different types. So we are pretty much offering our trucks to all segments today. What has not happened in the industry too much, we want to try and do better, is also to offer integrated solutions like bulkers, tractor trailers, refrigerated van, concrete mixers. So our attempt now in the coming years